It is Friday, the 4th of March, 2022, and welcome to our Storm Daily Debrief. Just to recap, yesterday we had quite a sturdy session in the States until late last night when there were reports of shelling of one of the biggest nuclear power plants in Europe, which sort of put the market quite risk off this morning with Asian markets turning down and S&P futures turning down. So just to look at some closing prices since our close, you got S&P about 40 points, Nasdaq's off about 150. You got FTSE futures showing down 1.5%, dollar bidding up, euro dollar down, ruble up to 109. US 10 years pulling in quite a bit. Gold obviously popped on that news, and you've got commodity prices still firm. And still the theme that's been driven through the week. You've got BHP Billiton down slightly, Rio flat, and 10 cents down nearly 4%. Today we've got NFP, and I think at the moment we've obviously got quite a headline-driven market with geopolitical risks. SA Inc. traded really, really well, and our PGMs came off a little bit yesterday. So just looking to today and some ideas, I think the focus is where all the volume's been done. I think Sasol's one of them where there's been a lot of volume being done. I think obviously there was news about that Iranian nuclear deal coming through and talks. So keep an eye on this one. I think it might be one to watch quite closely if the talks go well. I think they're meeting on Saturday. I just want one to watch this morning. I think obviously very volatile at the moment, but just some levels 360.75, sort of the first support, and then 343.63 is the next level. And then nextly, I think also MTN. I think this morning might be quite risk off, so I think you might get some selling. I think we've been waiting for a little bit of a turn and a reversal in MTN for anyone looking to shorten, and we sort of got that yesterday. Just the next level, there's 196 and then 189. So watch this one. Obviously, does also move with the oil price. So if we get the oil price curling in a bit, I think this one might be a little bit of a decent short-term short. So we're looking for an MTM short there. And then Sibanye came out with numbers which disappointed. Quite a big seller here locally, but traded a lot better in the States. Just a level there, 69.91, sort of the 8-day. And then lower is 64.84. So maybe one to watch also. I think it's going to be quite risk off this morning, so we might see a lot of gains that we got yesterday taken off. Aussie's looking to open around 70,000. And as I said, I think the market's just looking for new headlines. I don't think there's going to be any sort of guys taking much risk into the weekend. So we're looking probably to be getting short of a few things. So just to recap, MTN, we're probably going to be looking for short there. Sasol just watching quite closely. And Sibanye just to see how it behaves if it does get down to that 69.91 level. Good luck for today.